So I believe you're playing a double role in the movie. In Kick, you're playing a double role.
No.
Are you?
No. I'm playing one character. It seems like a double role, but it's not a double role. Because of Dhoom, Amir is playing a double role and stuff like that. So I guess that others, no, just one is fine.
Yeah, it's just one person.
Yeah. And we have two in No Entry and two in Suraj's film.
Suraj Barjatia's film, right.
So you're doing two double roles.
Because I've got that range.
You know, people just want to just keep seeing you in so many different characters and like, you know, like.
Right.
Yeah.
What do you have to say about his fan following as such? Have you started the city tour so far? Yeah.
No.
Right.
No, but actually at the
I don't think we're doing any city tours this time.
Why?
Achha.
I thought we were.
First you answer this question.
So, so at the trailer launch, like for the first time, I actually experienced and witnessed something that was just extraordinary. Yeah, and I'd never really actually seen that before. And the coolest thing was, even though they were shouting Salman's name, they also started shouting my name. And I was like, wait a minute, are they saying my name?
That's Jackie Bagnan name.
No.
You said that once he finishes, then you.
No city tour because it gets kind of difficult to handle crowds and stuff like that. And then there's the police there, and then the fans there, and the fans get excited.
People get hurt as well. That's very dangerous.
People get hurt, and you go there, and some people get up to just to create any kind of trouble. Thoda sa mileage ke liye, mudda uthane ke liye, and all that. So we just don't want to stay away from all these things because whenever I've gone to any of these cities and stuff like that, there are grandparents who get their grandchildren.
Yeah.
Okay, there are women there, you know, there are kids there. It just, God forbid something happens, I mean, we're not to blame at all. We're just going there and coming back. But still, you know, we're driving past, बहुत सारे लड़के motorcycles के ऊपर following, chasing, और बहुत सारे लड़के गिरे भी हैं.
Right.
So we try and avoid this as much as possible.
Right.
Yeah.
And this time we thought that it would be the best thing to do everything on television here. And we had this whole thing planned for all the city tour and stuff like that. But now what we're doing is our team is doing all the being human work there wherever we had planned.
Fantastic.
To do it,
So recently you had a wonderful media interaction talking about your songs, and you opened up, I think, wonderfully with the media as well. There was a funny aside to it that you said.
No, I've not opened up fully with the media.
Right,
it depends on my mood. Okay, it depends on the person I'm talking to. Sometimes, if I don't like the person's intent, the person is asking me the question of, and he's trying to, you know, get a story out of me, trying to, you know, rub me the wrong way, I don't open up at all. But then there are people who, you know, humorists who are like funny. They ask you anything, and I'm okay to joke like the way I'm talking to you right now.
Right, sir.
So I've not like totally opened up with the media. I've just answered questions. I know this is about TV and this is about interesting television, so I, you know, play along with it. But there are lines that you cannot cross with me, and that when people do try and cross those lines with me, I do get pissed off. And I know also that that I do not want to give them the pleasure of me getting pissed off at them, because
that's their intention.
That is their intention, because they want to see a different kind of stuff. They want that TV thing. So I give it to them in a different manner altogether. That's it. I mean, I would answer.
There should be a respect, I think.
Yeah, there's
always maintained
between,
you know, both parties.
And there is a very small section of that now.
Exactly.
It's not the way it used to be. There's a very small section of that, which is getting aggressive, and I think it is. I don't know. I see those faces, and I see even the media people, all the other people, even they don't support that. Don't support that.
The entire
कुछ
quote कहीं से उठा के voice over डाल के and music डाल के and just
they started doing it. They've been doing it again now. Yeah. The last time Jai Ho as well, they made a film promotion to political, promotion.
Right. That is true.
Now again, this time they started with some media. There's that, all that shit. अब तुम media वाले आएंगे धक्का, see, I've come to a function to promote it. So media has come there to cover it. So that is there only. So आप लोगों में इतना कंपटीशन चल रहा है टीवी चैनल्स के अंदर, that आप अपनी धक्कम धुक्की के अंदर, you're fighting amongst yourself, in that you're coming closer and closer to us.
No, yeah, I
So
understand.
in that, our bodyguards are there. So the bodyguards are going to, it's their job to keep a distance between you and me.
Right, right.
You know, so that is distance we're there to promote. We will promote. So you have to keep your distance from us. That is, इतना तो होना चाहिए 10-15 फुट का distance.
नहीं, absolutely, absolutely.
Because ये हमारा, you know, career भी है.
जी.
We need you, you need us. You know, so we've got to coexist.